Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing us how I made this delicious Quaker Oats Carrot Porridge. So these are the ingredients I used in making it. So the first thing I did is to go ahead and pour in the 3 cups of water. Depending on how watery or how thick you want yours to be, you can actually use 4 cups of water. So you cover it and allow it to boil. So while it's boiling, you go ahead and pour in the 1 cup of Quaker Oats. When you pour it, you just start stirring it. Just start stirring it. With time, it's going to thicken. So take note, like I said earlier, depending on how thick or watery you want yours to be. If it's too thick, you can go ahead and add more water. That's just it. So you stir for about 5 minutes. You stir it for about 5 minutes. You can see the way mine is. It has begun to thicken down. Take note that if this cocoa oat cools down, it's going to thick more. So take note. So after you stir it to the consistency you want, then you go ahead and pour in the 1 cup of chopped carrots. When you pour in the 1 cup of chopped carrot, just stir it for like 5 seconds and it's okay. Then you just bring it down and pour it into a serving bowl. After pouring it in a serving bowl, you go ahead and add your milk. You can use any milk of your choice, condensed milk, powdered milk, liquid milk. So mine, I use powdered milk. So just feel free to make do with what you have. And also, if you decide to use sugar or honey, you can go ahead and add it. Then just stir it. Make sure you mix it properly. You can see the way it is. So you can also garnish it with shredded carrots, to make the presentation look more beautiful and more presentable. You can see it. So that's just it. It's as simple as ABCD. Thanks for watching.